Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This time I'm bringing you an incredibly simple 2-ingredient cloud dough recipe. It's soft and fluffy and inexpensive. I guarantee you'll have lots of fun with this. The ingredients needed are just 2 cups cornstarch and 1 cup conditioner. Measure out the cornstarch and add it to a large mixing bowl. Combine this with the conditioner. Stir the 2 ingredients until it becomes too hard to mix. Now it's time for the fun part. Use your hands to finish kneading the dough. The great thing is that the dough sticks to itself, making cleanup that much easier. Add more conditioner if needed. Continue kneading until it's smooth and cloud-like. You can quickly pick up any excess cornstarch just by rolling the dough over it. Have fun and store it in an airtight container when finished. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful, but feel free to leave any questions in the comments. Have an excellent day and I'll see you next time. Bye!